Okay guys, welcome again to my channel Learn Arabic or Speak Arabic as a Native. So far we saw lesson 1 or part 1 which presented all the Arabic alphabets and their pronunciation in isolation, that is to say just in the alphabetical set. After that we did part 1, 2 letters, part 2, 2 letters, part 3 maybe 3 letters, part 4 another 2 letters, part 5, and now we are in part 6. We are going to present another 2 letters. Guys, before I proceed, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the alert bell, share the video, and let's hit 1 million subscribers in a year, inshallah. Well, let's move to see the content of part 6. Well, as usual, we are going to take 2 letters based on their order in the Arabic alphabetical order, and the method of work is that we are going to go from right to left, from right to left. Well, basically we have these 2 letters today. The first is Sin. We say in Arabic Sin, and the basic sound is S. The equivalent in English is S. Well, let's see how we write it in words. If we want to start, it must be like this. It is attached to the letter that comes after it, whatever the letter is. Like in this word, it's read in Arabic as Sahmun. Sahmun. In English, it means a row. Nice. When you are to write it in the middle, it must be like this. It must be attached to the letter that comes before it and the letter that comes after it. There are exceptions which we are going to see at the end of the lesson. Like in the example here, as we said, Nasrun, that's the middle, Nasrun. English, eagle. If you are to write it at the end of the word, it must be like this. Lamasa, lamasa, which means touch, touch. Nice. Now let's see the word sheen. Seen here, it has no dots, and sheen has 3 dots above or up. In Arabic, as a letter, it's pronounced or read as sheen. In English, it's equivalent to the sound sh, as in the word here, shine, sh. Nice. Let's see how we write it in the beginning of the word. It's written like this. It must be attached to the letter that comes after it, like in the word here, shayun or shay, which means tea in English. If you are to write it in the middle of the word, it's like this. Must be attached to the letter that comes before it and the letter that comes after it, like in this example, mushmisun, which means sunny. Then, if you are to write it at the end of the word, it's like this. It must be attached to the word or to the letter that comes before it. Like in this example, naqshun, which means inscription. Inscription or encryption. Inscription, yes. The exception is, when I said there are exceptions, the letter sheen and seen, both of them, because what applies to seen applies to sheen. Nice. So if it comes after the letter waw, like this, or alif, like this, it cannot be attached to it. It must be written separated from it. Well, this is the lesson for today, letters seen and sheen. I hope it is beneficial and you benefited from it. Guys, if you like the video, if you say it's beneficial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support makes us produce more valuable lessons. Share the video, like the video, and leave a comment below. Best regards.